26th of December, about 9:35 AM. A third video to report the ongoing issues with the MotoG24. Once again, it has failed to make and receive calls. On Christmas Day, you expect a lot of calls from family and friends. It was working in the morning and then suddenly stopped working, or we noticed I wasn't getting any more calls. To rectify the situation, instead of rebooting the phone, which is what I do, I put it into airplane mode and then back out, which we'll do now, and you'll see the SIM cards started behaving erratically. After this, I changed the phone app from the Google app to a third-party app, which worked for the rest of the afternoon, but then has failed this morning. So I don't believe it's the phone app. So we have this new phone app. We open that. We select the test call, digital subscriber service. We'll select that one, and it does nothing. So we'll select it again. We'll select the second SIM card. Again, it does nothing. So up here we have our SIM cards. Actually, to prove the SIM cards are working, let's say open Chrome. Okay, so it's gone to the Motorola support site, which is correct because that's the one I've been looking up. Let's just say, let's go to Motorola JB. Okay, so we can select something. So it is using the SIM card data. If that can focus for a second. We're using SIM card data, not Wi-Fi. So the SIM cards are in operation and working, just not making and receiving calls. So to recover it yesterday, we went into airplane mode, and that got me to make one more phone call before it failed again and prompted me to change the phone app. So we'll go into airplane mode. Okay. And then back out of airplane mode. Okay, they seem to be better than they did yesterday. They were in and out of service and playing up. Alright, so let's go back to our app. Let's make that test call. Again, nothing. So it is not the phone app, it's not the Google app here, so we'll set that back to default because this is the one that was obviously failing. So we did switch over to that one yesterday afternoon to make and receive calls, which has now failed. Let's go back to the pre-installed Google phone app. And let's call the test call subscriber number. So I have two there to call. We'll try both. We hit that. Does nothing. Let's ring the landline one. Press that. Again, it does nothing. So I'll carry out a factory reset of the phone for the second time this week. I'll carry out a factory reset and see if it behaves. If it fails again before Saturday, I'll return to the store to request a refund for a faulty product.